We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So this word doesn't really exist like this in English. You wouldn't have an E at the end. There would not be an E, and you would say it as central in English. Now, if you want this word, I guess it'd be either French or Italian. So if you want the French pronunciation, that would be centrale, centrale. If you want the Italian, it would be said as centrale, centrale in Italian, or centrale in French. And now you know. Did that help? Let me know in the comments and by hitting the like button. Thanks for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.